Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Aside Jesus Worldwide. One here I'm going to teach you how to make your yam with just tomatoes. Here I started by peeling my yam. After peeling, which I cut, then I started washing. After washing, I place into a pot, coming with my seasoning cubes. After I put my seasoning cubes, then I put my crayfish and I cut my onions. Place on fire. As you can see here, I have my tomatoes, fish, and pepper. I place my fish into a bowl, sprinkle some salt, then I come in with my hot water, set aside for it to dissolve. Here, as you can see, it is already dissolved. Then I started by washing. Please do well to wash properly, remove the bones. Then after washing, I come in with it into my yam. As you can see, the yam is already boiling. Then after that, which I covered, and I came back again to check. It is giving that look and is smelling so nice. Here I started cutting my pepper, onions, and my tomatoes. After cutting, I brought out my oil, placed my frying pan on fire. Then I go in with the oil, I pour my tomatoes, and it started boiling. Here I have fried, then I go in with it into my already cooked yam. As you can see, then I stir and I stir very well. As you can see, it is done. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, and comment. You can share to someone that would love to cook. Thank you. Bye.